If you're considering buying marketXLS technitya, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. I'll go over what makes this tool stand out from the competition and why it might be the right choice for you. If you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to get the best deal and exclusive benefits. First off, marketXLS technitya is a powerful tool designed for those who work with stock market data, financial modeling, and advanced Excel analysis. It's one of the top competitors in the financial analytics space, going head-to-head with other giants like Bloomberg Terminal and Morningstar Direct, but at a fraction of the price. Whether you're an investor, trader, or financial analyst, this tool can give you a competitive edge. But let's dive into the key things you should consider. The first thing to understand about marketXLS technitya is how it integrates with Excel. Unlike some competitors, marketXLS seamlessly connects with Excel, making it incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a technical wizard to get started, which is something that sets it apart from other more complex platforms. It allows you to pull real-time data, stock prices, historical data, and even custom financial models directly into your spreadsheets. If you're already familiar with Excel, this is a huge advantage. Next thing to consider is the data coverage. marketXLS technitya boasts an extensive library of data sources, including global stock exchanges, ETFs, mutual funds, and even options. While competitors like Bloomberg may offer similar data, the beauty of marketXLS is its affordability. For the price, you get access to a wide range of financial data without the hefty subscription costs of some high-end tools. It's perfect for those who need comprehensive data but don't want to break the bank. The third thing you should know is the ease of use. If you've tried other platforms like Morningstar Direct or FactSet, you might be familiar with their steep learning curve. marketXLS is designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need to go through endless tutorials to get up to speed. It's intuitive, and once you're familiar with how to pull and manipulate data in Excel, you can hit the ground running. For anyone looking to save time without sacrificing quality, this is a huge benefit. Moving on to the fourth thing, the powerful charting tools. marketXLS technitya offers robust charting and visualization options, which give you a clear picture of your data. You can create custom charts for your analysis or leverage their pre-made templates. Compared to something like Bloomberg, which offers high-end charting but at a premium, marketXLS gives you a solid solution at a much more affordable price point. It's a game changer for people who need visualizations but don't want to pay thousands for them. Next up is the speed and reliability. If you've ever used a platform that's slow or buggy, you know how frustrating that can be. marketXLS offers fast data pulls and reliable performance. While larger platforms may have occasional delays with data updates, marketXLS delivers consistently with real-time updates, which is critical for traders or anyone who needs up-to-the-minute market information. The sixth thing to consider is the customer support. marketXLS offers solid customer service, with support available via email and even phone if you need it. While competitors like Bloomberg may have dedicated support teams, marketXLS shines in its responsiveness and willingness to help you solve any issues you run into quickly. You won't be stuck in endless support queues or forced to navigate complex FAQs with marketXLS. Finally, the value. For what you get, marketXLS technitya is incredibly cost-effective. While platforms like Morningstar or Bloomberg charge thousands of dollars per year, marketXLS offers a more budget-friendly approach without sacrificing quality. Plus, you can test it out for free through the link in the description, which is a fantastic way to see if it's the right fit for you before committing. So, if you're looking for a tool that's affordable, easy to use, packed with powerful features, and integrates seamlessly with Excel, marketXLS technitya might just be the right choice for you. If you want to try out marketXLS technitya for yourself and get the best deal, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. Click the link now.